What's up, guys? I'm back, and I am so excited because I have 2 packs here of 1990 football cards, NFL football. So we got Fleer and we got some Score. I'm excited. So these are the Fleer Premier Edition football 1990 player photo cards, 15 cards, and then here 1990 Score Series 2 NFL football 16 player cards. So I'm gonna do the Score NFL football, and then I'm gonna get to this because I've already opened a pack of each before today earlier, and the cards are really nice. Here's a little funny story behind this. I actually ordered originally some vintage hockey cards, so cards from the 70s, 80s, and 90s. Well, the person who I bought it from, the site, it literally said 100 plus cards vintage hockey, so 100 plus vintage hockey cards in packs. So not 100 packs, 100 plus cards in packs. So never opened sealed packs, 100 plus vintage hockey cards in packs. And they sent me football instead. But I'm actually not really disappointed because I got the 1990 Score NHL hockey, the collector set. So I'm actually kind of happy that they sent me the football instead because, I don't have older football cards. I have older hockey, but I don't have older football. So now I finally have some football. So first I'm going to get into this. So I'm excited to get the video on, and I'm excited to see what we get in here. So so let's go ahead and start opening. Like I said, I'll open this first, then we'll do this second. So and then we'll do this. Try not to look. Okay. Flip it around. Okay. And we'll put that off to the side. Oh, that's a cool card. I like the gradient look to these cards, like the color, like the faded. I can't think of the name for it. Like it kind of just changes into a different color. I really like the look of these. Oh, that's a nice ground force. Otis Anderson. Joe Montana. Hey, look at that. Joe Montana on the Niners. That's cool. That's a nice card. Ricky Sanders from the Redskins. Yeah, these are nice. '90 rookie, Jeff George. If I'm pronouncing that right, I'm assuming. Okay, very nice. So that was it for the first pack. So that was it for the 1990 score. And now we're going to get on to the Premier Edition 1990, the Fleer player photo cards. I'm excited for this because I know what these look like, and they're really nice cards. The other ones are really nice too, but I like the look of these better, to be honest. I don't think I've said this before. Maybe I have briefly on... I know I'm going to be uploading a video about NFL, or not. No, this is already NFL, Jarrett. What are you talking about? NBA cards. And I think I said in the video, I don't think I uploaded it yet. I said that I like the team logos at the front of the card. I really like the logo of the team that the player plays for at the front of the card. It's just something that I'm really interested in. So, it's not that a card has to have it. It's just I prefer the card to have the logo on the front. It's just, to me, I just like it. I mean, these don't, but I mean, they're still nice cards. I mean, like I said, the card doesn't have to have it. It's just something that I prefer on the card. See, like these have the helmet with the logo on it. So it's got the helmet logo of each team. And I really like these cards. These are nice cards. Another Redskins player. Nice. Look at that old Broncos logo with the D. Let me just put this down. Very cool. Did this, okay, I'm confused, but yeah, these cards are sweet. Sorry, I almost just said NHL. NFL draft choice. Percy Snow. Interesting. I feel like I've heard of this guy before, Michael Irvin. And I think that's it. Yep. Very, very cool. I love the look of these cards. Both packs, both types of cards. I love these. They're very nice. So I'm very happy with them. It's funny because I ordered the hockey and they gave me football, but still, it's funny when I find it very funny when there's a situation like that where you order something, you don't get what you ordered, but you're still happy with what you received. That's kind of like what this situation is, where I ordered vintage hockey cards, but in the long end, it's kind of better actually that I got the football, because I already have the complete set of the 1990 Score NHL hockey. I already had the collector set, the full set of cards, 445 player cards, I think it was. So I'm actually happy that I got the football, the NFL cards instead. So yeah, they're very nice cards, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I opened one pack of these 1990 Score player cards, and then pack of these Fleer 1990, the Premier, what's it called, the Premier Edition, the player photo cards, and they're both cards are nice. I'm excited that I got to open these and on video, and there will be more videos to come in the future. So please stay tuned for future content. I appreciate you guys watching. If you have not, please give my channel a subscribe. If you want to see more videos, comment down below what you want to see in the future. Comment down below what you're a fan of. If you're a fan of mostly NFL or hockey or baseball or basketball or football, whatever you're interested in. Like I said, tell me in the comments and kind of suggest ideas for future videos, and I'll be sure to check your comments out if there are any. So hope you guys enjoyed, and like I said, please stay tuned. Please share with your friends. Please like this video. I appreciate it a lot, guys. Thanks for watching, and peace.